This is the Protean XMI in its extended version. This has got all the extensions on. So you can see it's higher than normal. It has a 50mm width extension here. It has two 100mm risers there. Then it has a long drop arm to bring the camera plate much lower for larger cameras. It has an extra wide camera plate and this second side support, which is a support at the bottom, a riser and the side, and then at the top here there's a bearing and a shaft and a second drop arm to support the other side of the camera. And this can support cameras up to about 10 kilos. It's very important to remember with the Protean, particularly if you have a heavier camera on, that it needs to be bolted down very securely. You can't allow any flex in the base. So if you're putting it on a tripod, for example, you need to make sure it's a sturdy tripod. If you're bolting it to the ceiling, you need to make sure it's on a very sturdy mount. The reason for that is that when the Protean accelerates the load of the camera in one direction, it may cause the support to twist in the other direction if it isn't rigid enough. When it starts to slow down, this twist will relax and it will get to a stage where the Protean can't find the position, because as it's trying to find the position, the tripod is twisting and so on, and it will just oscillate there. And you'll hear it doing that because it'll hum. If it hums, you haven't got a sturdy enough support.